Mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka Niwaweta Kana Muvango wa Kumutwikithya President Ruto Kutongosya kwata Umwe Uyamba Kuungamwa Kana Kuusyiiwa na Vanini ainene akaunti ya Mombasa kabinani kala ekomandeta na tongo imangu atanio ya atandithya mama yani ilembetani ya Afrika yomilonu wasiwa Kalonzo Niwaweta Kana ngalikoli ni yumiti ya kukwatiana na mivya ikiwathukanyo ni kana kumwino cha President Ruto usakuanini munene wa mwaka wa 2021 Angelina Mosene mwandiki wa mavoko makaunti ya Mombasa.
Nyinyi mko antam? Mko antam?
Ainene ava kaunti ya Mombasa mutongo wa chama cha Wiper Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka Niwaweta Kana Muvango wake wa kumuthula kuma utongoini President William Ruto Uyamba Kuungamwa Kana Kuusyiiwa ona Vanini.
That we have now started the countdown to the next election. This is why my tone will definitely be changing on a daily basis to make William Ruto one term, because he doesn't deserve a second term if he can ruin our tea industry the way he has done it.
Kalonzo Niwaweta Kana nukwende ya kuma kwenye Akenya na mivya kivathukanyo kuikithya President William Ruto atongwesya kwa kilungu cha term umwe aweta kana utongo wake withitwa kumuvinyiya mwene nthi na kulea kuanisya mavata mo.
This visit is part of a wider deliberate program of sector engagements that I will be undertaking countrywide in the coming weeks and months. We are working smart, very smart. We are working smart and very hard. Kenya is the most overtaxed nation anywhere in the world. We are overtaxed by the central government, if you like the national government, and even our devolved units. And we can maybe begin to understand why Kenyans are feeling poor. Do you know that over 20 million Kenyans now in the last 1 or 2 years have fallen below the poverty line?
Uo kakavindani kala watoesya kikaloki mwanya na atongo imangu atani atandithya mama yani ilembetani Afrika yomilonu wasiwa va kaunti ya Mombasa vala wa kuulia ya Sudan kuvitanga mungu wa kuthoa mayani mava nthi ya Kenya mungu ula kuweta kana wothotheto vanene ni utongo yutailite wa President William Ruto.
We'll engage President Buhari's government and tell him our foreign policy orientation has always been to support peace engagement, but not to allow the port of Mombasa to be the entry point for arms destined for Darfur, for Sudan, through Mombasa. This is what this Ruto administration has actually been doing, and therefore creating enemies for ordinary Kenyans who would otherwise want to have good neighborliness and within the framework of our regional organizations.
And Sudan was buying over 35 million kilos, and in the embassy we were told by the ambassador that the 35 million kilos was understatement. They do consume tea when they're happy and when they're sad, and we look forward through the support of His Excellency Mheshimiwa Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka to help us open this market. Because of the good name, because of the respect that is created in the region, that the regional leaders give him, we believe that with his support we are able to recapture that market and open that market for the Kenyan tea and improve the livelihoods of millions and millions of smallholder tea farmers in Kenya.
Gilivoti ya vilingi wa mauvo kuma kaunti ya Mombasa neta wa Angelina Mosene.